Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer games and application data to your new PS5. So there's a couple different ways we can do this. If we go to settings right here and then go on down to system, there should be an option for data transfer. Just go on over to system software, data transfer right here. And if both your PlayStations are connected to the same internet, it should automatically transfer. Otherwise, you can connect them with a LAN cable. Just connect from one PlayStation to the next, and you should be able to transfer it rather quickly. So just go to continue through this process, and you should be able to find them. Just make sure your consoles turn on and both consoles are connected to the same network. To complete the transfer, use a wired LAN connection. So just connect both of them. So you might need them relatively close together for this to work. And then it's going to search for the other console. And then you should be able to just choose the games and apps you want, and it'll transfer everything over. So if you're doing this right before you go to bed or something like that, it'll work quite well. When you wake up in the morning, everything will be transferred, and it could be quite lengthy. Now, another way that you can transfer everything is moving everything over to an external hard drive. So if you go to settings and then going down to storage, and then go to use external storage right here, if you transfer games and applications to this, you can just move it on over to your new one, and it should detect everything instantly. So if you're using an internal SSD or something like that you plug into your SSD bay on your original PS5, well, that will transfer quite well. So just go ahead and just transfer the games and apps to that hard drive. You can just select the games, and then you can go to the move option under here, and then bring it on over to your new PS5, and you should be good to go. So look at that as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out.